All right, guys, what is going on here in Buenos Aires? Can never say that second word right. Anyway, we have today an IPA, not just any IPA, a Wolf IPA, or Lobo in Espanol. IPAs are actually quite common here in the city. Usually, if you go somewhere, you'll get an option of a typical, cheap, standard domestic beer, and usually a darker beer, and then an IPA. So there's usually like three choices, but IPAs are always on the menu here, which is awesome if you're an IPA lover like me. So this beer was quite cheap. It was only a little over $1. I believe it's a pint. So, not too shabby. Let's crack her open. Oh, yeah. All right. Wolf IPA. First sip. Here we go. Okay. So it's only 5.8%, 50 IBUs. So it is quite bland, quite light for an IPA. Not much body or flavor to it. So I guess I can see why it's as cheap as it is. Definitely can taste the hops though. Definitely is an IPA. But it's real light. It's a real smooth drinker. So unlike your typical IPA, you could probably drink a few of these quickly and not feel as bloated as normal. But actually, not too shabby at all. If you're just looking for a nice light sipping IPA, check out the artwork on that puppy. Oh yeah. I don't know what's going on there. Looks like the guy's hat is getting eaten by a dog. I don't know if it's supposed to be a wolf, but quite artistic on the can, I'd say. Anyway, Wolf IPA. Cheers to that.